6 p.m. heading to Williams Lake, and I'm coming into something at least. Not a total bust today. There's trippy lines in the sky up there. A real low-hanging deck. This is bad news. My God.
Falling out right now.
Anything could happen. Wow. I'll watch the video later.
Feel the heat. I need more legs, I need water.
They ain't dry mopping this. Which looks like we'll come across it on the road. Precip bombing behind. Holy buddy. What's going on here? This trailer was all over the place for a second. I don't think I want to be behind this guy anymore. We'll at least catch up to that. See if anything exciting can happen. At that backside there. There's been so much undulatus asperatus today. No shortage of that in the skies. Like, things are really trippy. Here's our low-hanging fruit. It's really low. Wow. Very low cloud decks. Check out these really low cloud decks coming up just south of Williams Lake. Almost looks like it wants to be a wall cloud. Certainly is tailing in behind nicely. Low as anything. I don't perceive anything's rotating or nothing. But those low-hanging decks, they're the ones that tell you something. You know, they're the crazy shit comes out of them sometimes. So those are the guys to really watch right now. We got something at least today. Definite low-hanging deck in behind this storm, close to 150 Mile House. I don't perceive any rotation in it. I was incorrect, actually. Upon reviewing the footage on fast speed, I can tell that there is some rotation, although very weak, so we do have mesocyclonic rotation here. It did happen in the South Cariboo, the storm that pushed up into towards Likely and then did a complete left-hand turn and went northwest, and then pushed up back across Highway 97 up by Hickson again later. So very unusual storm. Tornadic storms will do that. They will get spinning on their axis. And this one did that. But it's definitely expanding out. Nice flat base, sorta. Most interesting thing I've seen today. Yeah, wow. Weird. Very weird. What is going on there? Wow. Is that something or what? I'm almost in position that I'm going to stop somewhere. get a better view of what's going on. It's starting to get into the precipitation. I don't want that either. Should be looking low-hanging decks. Still don't perceive any rotation in it. It's got a very scud-like appearance though. It's sticking out. Something weird is going on here. I still don't see any rotation, so I'm going to call that a scud. Widening out now, losing some of its shape. Anyways, I couldn't really afford to do this kind of chasing much, and I don't really believe in burning gas that much anyways, but all the more reason why you should become a member at Patreon or my YouTube channel. Send a donation or something, you know, because I would do more chasing for sure if I thought that I could afford it, right? But as it is, it's hard to make ends meet on a dead fire season like this. I wonder what fucking animal's making that noise down there. That is really something. So some very sloppy, possibly mesocyclonic behavior here at 150 Mile House. For sure. And looks like more precip still towards Williams Lake. I thought I better just pull over and see what was going on here, not just drive by this. Looks spooky that way. I hate when the trees are in the way. And then we got this low-hanging fruit right here. Just waiting to see what it is. Beautiful, whatever it is.